So the big benefits are efficiency, touch points on the garment, and the accuracy of packing out and delivery to the customer. My name is David Williams. I'm the General Manager here at Johnson's Workwear in Exeter. Johnson's Workwear are a leading provider in the UK of workwear rental and laundry services. When we built this project, we've built in the services to enable capacity growth to approximately 120,000 pieces per week. That's garments, but we also process dust control mats, cabinet roller towels, and small linen products, wipers, hand towels, tea towels, that type of product. So we supply industrial customers, the food industry, and we supply healthcare as well. The reason we picked Kannegiesser really was down to their equipment knowledge, their process knowledge, their innovation, their approach to sustainability, which matched our values as a business and organisation. When we worked with Kannegiesser on the conceptual design of this project, automation was a key part of that. Obviously, the efficiency benefits that you get through automation are attractive, but then there was the lack of handling of garments. So from a customer's perspective, the least touch points that we have on those garments, the better. All of that process is automated from the person putting the garments into the sortation system and then dropping down onto the conveyor belt to feed onto a group of operators who will then scan and inspect and hang the garments for processing. The accuracy of the organisation of the garments, so the sortation themselves. So organising garments into customer or day or route or wearer or whatever it may be, having a manual process with that where you've got people organising those garments creates quite a large amount of human error. With the system doing that, we've found a great improvement in accuracy in our packing. So the big benefits are efficiency, touch points on the garments, and the accuracy of packing out and delivery to the customer. So through the whole phase of the project, we had regular meetings, site-based meetings, as to how the project was progressing. And then when we got to the commissioning phase, so when everything was in place and we started commissioning, Kannegiesser gave us engineers on site who helped train our staff and give us technical expertise throughout that process. The project managers for Kannegiesser were excellent to work with. Any questions we had, they were able to answer, or if they couldn't answer, they would soon get us the answers on those questions. So we had a very, very good experience with Kannegiesser through the commissioning. We committed to the investment of the SuperTrack system really for the automation benefits and its accuracy through the process. It's the speed of the process. We've seen excellent reliability through the SuperTrack system. The main thing for us is to keep it clean, and as long as you keep that clean, the SuperTrack system, as well as the folders and various other pieces of equipment, the PPM program and the cleaning regimes you have on these pieces of equipment are critically important to maintaining the reliability of the equipment. Provided you manage that on site, we experience excellent reliability from that, yeah. So with the eView software that Kannegiesser provide, we're able to see our soil sortation system, so our entire bag system with all our soiled garments in it. We can identify which customers and which bags contain what garments. So we can set the order, whether we set order by customer or by day or by route, we can set the order as to how we want those garments cooled down to the washer extractors below. When they go through the washer extractors, we can monitor what's in the washer extractors through the screens, and then those garments will be hung and sent up into our sortation system. So we purchased the servo lift to enable us to get our mats from the ground floor to the first floor. So we take the soiled mats, we load them onto the servo lift. They're weighed by the servo lift, so we can see exactly what weight we have on that servo lift, which then feeds up to the bag system above. We load 75 kilos of mats per bag. The servo lift itself has proved very reliable, very efficient. It doesn't create any noise on the site, so we're very happy with that. Sustainability is very important to Johnson's Workwear. We've committed to a sustainability strategy as an organisation, so we're looking at various ways of improving our environmental impact. We've experienced excellent water reduction. The big benefit of the power swing washer extractors that we have here, we have 6 on this site, is If you underload to the 225 kilo loading, the water is reduced to that load, and as is the chemical dosage as well. The knowledge of the Kannegiesser service team is excellent. If we require an engineer on site, so mechanical or electrical engineering, Kannegiesser do a very good job of sending engineers and knowledgeable engineers to the site.